YouTube. Come on, man. What up, fool? YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Corey, Twin Peaks Traders in the building. Getting set up. Market's about to open in about 10 minutes. Currently, in my 8 a.m. trade still, as you can see. Been in it for about an hour and a half already. Came in at the 8 o'clock session. Get the 4 hour up. Let's see what specs I'm looking at here. A little early execution today, so. But as you can see, 2 to 6 4 hour. It's a continuation upside. Gave us a low of the candle with 75.14. So that's our SL4 signal. Had a key level from July 5th low at 75.16, and then my normal heat zone about 10 points away. If price runs, it's about 75.24. We were able to get in around 75.16. So pretty good entry right off the July 9th level, and our stops pretty much at 7,500. Could actually put it under 7,500. Just since you guys like whole numbers, man, know how the market likes to work. Extra $20, get my stop under 7,500. My break even is gonna be at 75.26, 10 points away. TP1 is gonna be around 32. As you can see, if you look at the balance at the top of this account that I'm trading in, for the broadcast, kind of be passed at 75.32. So we'll go ahead and close out the trade there. But yeah, pretty smooth. Should see us pass this account today, not tomorrow. But we're in a good trade right now. Looking at the hour, we did have a pullback. Price got pretty low, almost stopped us out. About 5 points away from the stop out, but we were in drawdown. Then the hour came, clap back, closed at the green doji, kind of continuing this uptrend that it has going on. You can see here from 1800 candle, got kind of an uptrend going on. Price just stays steady and continues in that direction, then we'll hit that TP1 relatively easy. But yeah, just taking it chill. Next 2 days are going to be chill, just based on this account balance that I'm trading. Even if I take a loss today, I'll be able to come in and take a TP2 tomorrow and get it where I need to be. So yeah, man, beautiful day. Thank God, man. It's Tuesday with the brother. Shout out production. Shout out my boy Molly in the back, man, doing his thing. Do like to show you guys a live execution on how we got into the trade, but it was an early session today. Some days it's going to be like that. I do have 2 sessions in a day. I get 2 signals, one at 8 a.m., one at 10 a.m. Since I'm sparking up around 8, and that's Eastern time. Since I'm sparking up around open, sometimes it's going to be that little different, a little difference. But all in all, great trade. See how it plays out through the open. Should be fun. See what happens here. Yeah, that's about it, man. Sit back. Got open in 7 minutes. See what we're gonna watch on YouTube today, man. You're gonna go ahead and pull up to my guys at Topstep. If you know me, you know I always like to check on the firm. Make sure their lights are still on. Everything's doing good.
Full hour of group coaching with Emmanuel and Hoop. If you've got a question for one of these Topstep coaches, we are going to pin a form to the top of the chat in just a little while. Grab that form, fill it out, click submit, and we are going to answer your questions live right here on Topstep TV.
No, you did. Got my head, bro. 1 second, guys. Everything situated. It is, right? blitz kick last couple months. Alright, with Topstep TV, got the trade going right here. I'll be breaking even once price hits this wonderful gold line right here. Should be coming momentarily. Looks like the buyer's stepping on that hour. Once I seen that hour signal, I'm like, yeah, this is pretty much probably gonna get hit. Alright, about 6 more P's, be breaking her even. My boys Topstep, man, we here, guys. We are here, man. Shout out to my Peace Traders. Everybody that tapped into yesterday's video. I just dropped a new reel. Make sure you guys go check it out. Yeah, man, we're here. Also live in Discord. Pin that Discord for me in the chat. Get the link in, man. We in there posted up. My boy Max Woods was there earlier in the early session. If anybody needed anything, shout out my boy Max. I'll be in there for the remainder of the morning session. This might be quick work though. It's quick work. I already know. It's quick work. Do my thing. Get on out of here. Just need a place to be hanging and slanging. Yeah, man. Great. We're still in Google calls, which pretty much turned into earning plays. Which I kind of, it's kind of like the worst case scenario, but been on for about 4 weeks. About to see how earnings does to them, how the earnings come out and affects the stock tomorrow evening. And then we'll reset the play. I'm very bullish on Google. Gonna be for the remainder of the year. What was that? 351. 351. We posted up, man. It's open in 3 minutes, man. Let's see what happens. Should be fun. Hopefully buyers can take it to the break even. Take us to TP2. Yeah, overall great trade. Great trade. Continuation upside candle. Price got all the way down to 05. Stop was good. Came back in. That's one of the things that's kind of interesting with the ES this year. It's like you look up and you trade an ES 7500, and it's kind of like a mini NASDAQ. You know what I'm saying? Like, if anybody remembers when NASDAQ was at like 12,000, like when I first started trading, like, you know what I'm saying? So a little bit of space, a little bit of extra space on the stop. Makes the TP1, TP2 is a little bit further, but you'll be able to withstand these kind of drastic downturns if anything happens. Alright, so what we want to see on the hour. Alright, bet. About to hit up CNBC, check the bond yields, check the VIX. See what happened. Alright, 26 is the break even. She holler it out for me. Rear hints new Trump tariffs coming on dozens of countries. Trump got a trade daily. Yeah, 10 years at 4.6. 10 years at 4.6. Nah, I'm good. Got as high as 23.50. Couple more points, guys. We'll be breaking even. That'd be great. Yeah, we're at 26 even for the break even. 1 second, guys. See what happens here. What do you think, boss?
I would consider it before that.
Yeah, that's true. 23.50, 23.25. Yeah, but like at least a 25 print, but I mean it is open, so say 24. Alright, I'm break even. Alright, break even, guys. Took a little bit early since we got opening coming in. Want nothing crazy to happen. Price about 10 points away. Hit 24.50. Clean break even 26. What we got open? Shout out my partner. Good call. Couple P's away from target. Alright, hit 25. True break even. 26 true break even. Great work, great work. Price is pumping up. Got as high as 28.25. Close with no cigar, almost. There we go. There we go. 29. 30. Got a 30.25. 2 more points. Yep. Yeah, it's true break even. That's good. Alright, that's good work, guys. Price got a 30.25, guys. 30.25. Might have been the breath. Yeah, might have been the breath there. Very close. Very close. Got another signal coming up at 10. Very close. 2 points away. 2 points away. I mean, we're still in. Price at 22. We're all the way at 16, so we got a true break even. Yeah, true break even. We're great. We're A1. Flying first class. Trying to break 20s. Yeah, it's coming down. Dang, that was close. That was close. Goodness gracious, that was close. Nice trading though, guys. Good work, good work. True break even. Price at 18, we're in 16. We're still in right now, but price is coming down. Getting prepared for the next session here. Coming down. 17, about to break.
Order filled.
Break even, boys. Good work. Dang, that was close. That was close. Price at 30.25. We're at 32.25. Yeah, that was very, very close. Great, great operations. All right, guys, that's our first trade of the day, man. First trade of the day, real clean. As you can see, we're 2 points away. Literally 2 points away from the TP, and price turned around. Crazy. That was excellent, excellent work. Break even right before open. Get to sit back now. Wait to see how this 10 o'clock candle closes. Man, that was crazy. That was crazy. That jump was right there, bro. Ooh. You feel me? Like, I can't. That'll mess up the whole thing. It's no point. No point to close early. Always TP2s and targets. Even that's super early. Like, even on a normal, that's only for this account. Anything else is running the TP2. So, yeah, that was barely. Close with no cigar. Yeah. And we kind of been. Yeah, 1-on-1 break even, literally. Literally 1-on-1 break even. Barely 1-on-1 break even. Alright, guys, gonna take a little break, man. We're trying some Topstep. That was a great first session, man. Sparked up at the perfect time. Just to recap what just happened, took the 75.16 July 9th low, longs daily level off the 4-hour low, which is 75.14. Got right in at the key level. Price pumped that open, got me to my break even, and then barely missed TP2 before turning around. TP2 was, TP1, which I was closing out at for this account, was at 75, 32, 25. Price really got to 75, 30, 25. Yeah. Alright, so go ahead and clear this up, man. Get ready for the next session. Price might be turning around. Looks like that was an A+ trade, A+ situation. A+ situation. As of now, SL4 will be up here. Get rid of all these zones. Which after 3 continuation, 4-hour candles, it's probably an exhausted rally. More than likely, so. Get prepared for 10. Yeah, Google's at 350. Stocks are looking decent though. Stocks looking decent. Dang, that was close. That was close. That jump was right there. Right there, Cody. Right there, man. Moss, right there. One little breath. Alright, we got a key level up here at this candle is 30. Entry level at Tuesday low 3150. Crazy first session, man. You never know what's gonna happen at New York session open. That's why I'm very happy I just was able to break even, true break even. That was beautiful. I got two.
You, good morning. 9:30, market open. My voice ain't too deep today.
Got the gang. Morning, morning, T. Good to see you, gang.
Oh, thanks for having me. It's a pleasure.
Yes, sir. What you looking at today?
Well, I'm just looking. Um, I do got two fundeds, but I
Nice.
called up 1800 last night in Asia session, so I kind of don't want to trade because I'm like at a point where uh I get one little nice trade and I be done trading for the day. You
Yeah.
know what I'm saying? So I don't wear. I got another funded to to uh to trade, but kind of want to hold off on it. I'm trying to get a payout on this one funded, so I
Nice.
need like days of $150 or more, then I can get a
Get your
payout.
payout.
So
Yeah. Nice.
trying
That's
to.
so good. So good, T. Yeah, definitely. Even with us, for real, one good trade a day is all you need. For real. So that's perfect.
Yeah, so I ain't trying to overtrade it. I kind of gave Topstep a little break.
Nah, that's good.
I
That's
don't
good.
I don't went to Lucid. I kind of like Lucid. I ain't gonna cap.
Oh, nice,
Lucid
man.
pretty decent.
Nice. That's good. Yeah, everybody's gonna have the firm that works best for them. I heard good things about Lucid, so that's good.
Yeah, but so with Lucid, I trade on Lucid, but I mark up on my Top Step platform.
Nice.
That
Yeah,
makes sense.
yeah, it definitely makes sense. Those Project X accounts, those charts are
Yeah,
beautiful. Yeah.
yeah, for sure. But
Dang, that's good. That's good. Good to hear. I heard good things about Lucid. Nice to hear somebody's in there that I know for real.
I mean, loans still look valid. Um,
Yeah, we just got out
yeah,
some longs, break even. We almost hit my TP, and then price turned around right before my TP, like 2 points, and broke me even.
2 points away from
oh
breaking even.
damn.
Yeah, we was about to get another funded up. Yeah, it was literally like 2 points away.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I could have held my trade last night because it went right to my target. But I'm like, man, I'm just gonna take these little 1800 and get out. But I could have been up like 8 bands for real. but
Yeah.
but like, man,
It
I
be
don't know what
like
this
that.
market gonna do. It's so funny, but you
Nah,
know,
that's a fact.
it's been working out, man. That's why I ain't been here, man. I really had to like take a break and just like practice for real, like
Nah, that's
really
good.
practice, because
Yeah.
I kept just like blowing accounts, bro. And I'm like, hell no, let me just take a breather, sit back, and learn some more stuff. So I kind of learned like top down analysis. You know what I'm saying?
Nice, nice.
So that's kind of working out for me real decent. I've been having like good trading days, like this month in my little practice account, um and I had like 8 winning days and like 2 losing days. So
Dang, nice.
it's working out pretty good. So I'm just trying to
Yeah, that's very
figure out
good.
what works for me.
Yeah, and that usually be the main thing. If me and bro were just talking about that yesterday, for real, have a lot of rush targets when it comes to the trading. It's like literally if you take a step back, take a breather, and kind of expand the time horizon on it, then it makes the whole thing easier. Like for real, so never for real, I'm always quick to take a step back and slow things down.
Oh yeah, definitely. That's what I had to do for real. Cause I was
Yeah.
stressing out. Like I ain't buy no. I blew so many accounts, man. I'm like, wait, I ain't buy another account. I waited like a
Gotta see
month
what's
to buy
going on.
another account.
Yeah. That's how it be for real. That's how it be. Even me and bro right now, for real, we just pulling up leverage. We taking it easy, kind of enjoying the summer a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Working on some other things. And then the trading's just been smooth, just been automated. It's like the last 5 weeks. We've been green for the last 5 weeks.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
5 weeks
That's what
straight.
I'm
Yeah,
talking about.
but it's all just like taking a step
Awesome.
back, taking a breather, and taking a little bit of pressure off the trading. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Indeed. I kinda yesterday, Sunday night, Monday, Asia session, I bottom tick, bro. Literally bottom tick. And that shit went straight up the TP. I'm talking about up 5 bands, bro. I was like,
Dang.
oh shit.
Dang. That's what I'm talking about, dog. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, yeah. So now I'm just getting 3 days. I'm kind of I was building like a I was building just like make 4 bands, then take out two.
Yeah.
But now I'm just working on $150 more uh daily just so I can take a payout. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
So you can
So
pay yourself.
that's my
Yeah.
goal right now.
That's a
Yeah.
good goal.
Yeah, that's a great goal for real.
Yeah.
Always got to pay yourself,
Yeah.
and that's like it's okay to make it easy for you. You know what I'm saying? Like you can get 100, you can make 150 easy in these accounts for real. So just do that and then set it up where you can get paid. It's okay to make it easy for yourself. You feel me?
Yeah, once I get this payout, I'm about a couple more accounts though for sure.
Yeah, yeah. Nah, it's the season for real. It's the season, dog. Same thing we on. Planning accounts, building up the live account, building up leverage, bro. Man, you feel
Yeah.
me?
How are the rules for Lucid is similar?
Yeah, how the rules for Lucid they similar to Top Step or any differences?
Uh I'm not gonna lie, this is my first time trading Lucid,
Mm.
so but they did have this little okay, hold on, give me a second. Hold on. Calm down. You doing too much jumping. It's too early for that. My bad.
Nah, you good, you
Uh
good.
um so I they had this like promotion going on where you buy what was it, a 50K flex, I wanna say. Um and you could pass that bitch in 1 day. And I literally passed that bitch in 1 day. Like I full ported that motherfucker. Like and that shit hit. I was like, oh shit. So that's what I'm kinda but yeah, they pretty much similar. I don't
Yeah,
know, I'm gonna have to really look into it though. But a little dude on TikTok put me on Lucid and I'm
yeah.
like, it's really cool, you know what I'm
I've been
saying?
hearing good
Like,
things because when Top Step adjusted their payout cap to like 2K or some shit, I think
yeah,
Lucid was the biggest payouts that you could get on the block at that time before they changed it back to the 4,000. So niggas was
yeah.
talking about Lucid pretty crazy around then, but yeah, that's fire. I think we tried. I tried a couple different firms before, but
Yeah, we went.
I always like Top Step. I think the most. I went Tradeify for the most time. I traded a live account with Tradeify for a minute, but
Oh, okay.
the consistency rule was killing us
Yeah.
over there. I'm like
Oh
shit.
yeah.
They had a
Yeah.
consistency rule in the funded account. I'm like, dog, this shit is
Yeah,
crazy.
finding us
Yeah,
was
that's what I don't consistency. Them rules I can't. I don't know. I
Yeah,
try
bro.
to find a account with not no consistency rules. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? Because what?
focus on the
yeah. Same
And you
here,
want me
bro.
to
Cause that
30,
shit.
50, 40% rule? No,
Yeah, cause you going against
no.
a nigga that did like he went to school to do that math on your ass. You can't even
yeah,
break
that's a
that shit.
crazy equation.
Like it's a crazy equation they doing
That can
for
cause
that.
so
Yeah.
much shit.
So I haven't tried another firm since then, but
Like,
Yeah,
I
no.
like to hear that
Lucid
though.
it's pretty decent. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's just so nice where the space is. A lot of legit firms and a lot of places traders can go. I remember it was just Tops that you can really trust, and the game is completely different. Has grown a lot. So.
Right. I'm finna, matter of fact, I'm finna look at that. Oh, can you wait now? Did you eat breakfast? That's water. Go ahead, drink it. Okay, get up.
Dang, we might be looking at shorts for the 10 o'clock in the COM downside.
so this next 15 minutes could look like
All right, cool. T, we here, man.
All
Post it up.
right, yeah, for sure, bro. I'm gonna come back with you off that the rules though. For real, I'm about to look into that.
Yeah, just check it out for me. See what's different. I'll let
Yeah,
you
I got
know.
you.
Yeah.
All right, for sure, bro.
All right, appreciate you, T. All right, guys, we here, man. Shout out to Discord, man. As you can hear, for real, T, one of our traders in the Discord, for real. my partner Maul actually met her at his last place of employment a couple years ago, and literally, strong woman, got a family and everything, man, and just learned trading from the ground up. And as you can hear, man, about to take payouts, multiple funded, has taken multiple payouts before. Just sticking with the game, man. One of the people we were able to learn with and help, and you know what I'm saying. So I appreciate that, man. Shout out to the barber, man. So, but yeah, other than that, man, I'll put on some top step, take a stretch before 10 o'clock. We looking like we might have a COM, damn near 10 points away short, coming up for 10. So if that happens, I'm not mad at that signal at all. Yeah, crazy morning, man. Almost hit TP1. About to leverage that, man. But we'll see at 10. The grind continues. Yeah, about to take a little break. Shout out Topstep, man. Play the guys. Shout out Lucid. About to hear about them rules on Lucid. So we might have a little comparison video coming up about that. But happy to be here with you guys, man. God bless y'all. Trade safe, man. I'm here. Take a little break.
And violently. To me, it is. All my years of watching it.
Not too violently for me just yet.
No?
And I feel like it's kind of been filtered out by the fact we've already moved 500 points today. So it doesn't look too violent
Right.
for me just yet. Yeah.
Right.
Violence hypnosis.
Or maybe the
like
book's
when you get
maybe
off
the
the
book
highway.
is thin,
Yeah.
you know?
We've
Thin
been
book.
conditioned to these high volatility days now.
Did look like the NQ's hanging on right now, 29,130, give or take. About 100-point range in NQ so far.
Oh, there it goes. 05110. Chops
Held again.
chop suey in this little range.
Yeah.
Opening range low. We tagged it and bounced right off it. Mm.
7505 is holding for the session lows for right now. In the ES, 7507, NQ.
So wait.
Spread new lows, 29,008. It's not convincing, though. I'm not necessarily convinced. Also, levels. Pin in the chat. You can see those
Short
top 7 daily
MES.
levels. You long, Ted?
Short MES.
Short.
07.
Okay.
I'm putting a
click on the
stop. By the way, yesterday I did not have a stop in. Had an update going, and of course, get a little Trump headline, and I was down 500 in an instant.
What was
Actually,
the
I'm taking
headline?
this. I want this. It was if you kill one of ours, we'll kill 500 of yours. So
Gotcha. Okay.
They're selling off
nice
here.
one to get caught in.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, 05 breaks. We go to 7. We could go to 7490. That's the next major level.
All right.
But we chop up around the whole numbers 7,500.
Yep.
And you 01 to 99, you could get chopped up. I want to see a convincing move down to 90, maybe 85, and reclaim 90 for a long.
Okay.
That would be nice if we could sweep down there and find some buyers.
All right. Indicators.
We're right on that.
Yes. Get those. I'll get the levels. Top of the day levels. Update and refresh before every New York Open. Click on that link. Have a little wrist on the screen. If you don't do you one better, click on that indicators tab at the top of Topstep X. Type in Topstep daily levels, and you have those slapped over right there on your charts. A little indecisive. Markets are a little indecisive right now.
We're right on that 50-day moving average in the
seeing that.
SPX. Yeah, maybe getting a little bit of relief here.
See 73% short tilt, 73% short tilt in the NQ right now. Yes, just 66% short tilt. We got poll up in the chat. First 15 minutes are in. What's your read on NQ now? Bullish, bearish, still stuck in chop. Get those votes in.
Mm-hmm.
So we got SanDisk up 10%.
I was just looking at that.
Are you kidding me? And Micron too.
I mean, they've been all around. It's wild, man. The semiconductors as a whole, I got them up 4%. Who are some standouts? Well, Bitcoin's been doing a little bit better, which means strategy's above 100 again, up 5%.
Bitcoin.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Turd.
Jay was pointing out, let's take a look at that real quick.
Yeah.
Look at inverse head and shoulders on the. Ooh, looks like it played out. Let me see what he was looking at here.
What's your kielbasa guy doing on Bitcoins?
My kielbasa guy?
Yeah.
Sausage guy, Jack. Tell me about
The
this
sausage
kielbasa guy.
Sausage King. Oh, it's really going. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. For all of you that don't know, kielbasa is what we refer to, specifically Ted refers to as Kalshi, I believe.
What?
I remember when that was a cereal.
Uh-huh.
Anymore?
Oh, it's so good. So good. GK still in this long, yeah?
Yeah. It still
Holding
looks
on.
good to in my eyes.
160?
Yeah,
Back up to
159.
159. All right.
Ooh.
Yes, didn't find the push lower. Couldn't find
Andre,
the.
you missed Tanker Cam last week when we were
I
doing
didn't
nothing.
actually. I did not miss it.
Missed
I
it.
was watching. I was watching.
Man.
Incredible, man. Boots on the ground. Boots on the ground. Where else you get that besides
That's
Topstep
right.
TV? Where else? Do you get it?
That was
You remember
funny.
who my-
Waiting for that Fed chair, right?
Yep.
Mm.
Do you remember who I called to win the World Cup?
Yes, GK.
Yes.
España. They
Got
were no
away.
joke. How about it, man? Okay. Well, yeah, Chica, is that all you're going to say?
Good hole.
No, my prediction came from. It came
No,
from.
man, we're gonna
a
parlay that with a 29,400 in the NQ. Make some
Man,
money.
they absolutely rolled. Absolutely rolled them.
the guy that said it
All right,
3-2.
we're going up.
But they allow one
Yeah,
goal the whole
I believe
tournament.
so as well.
The whole tournament.
I think we're going. We had a nice hold there on long.
That's long now.
MNQ and MES. Both.
I'm not too confident in the longs just yet. I'll get complete confidence if you can continue to hold.
That's sloppy and choppy.
Yeah. And then
60 failed quick.
Yes, they
Oh,
did.
check a headline.
I'm not seeing much on the headlines right now. We got 8 minutes to the top of the hour.
Where's that?
All right, I got long as well.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not crazy about this. I looked like a headline
It
sweeping
did.
that low. That was nasty.
Let
See
me.
What was that headline?
I don't know. I saw that as well. What Ted's talking
I
about?
don't like that.
Yeah, the ES. What you got, long ES or NQ on that second one?
I'm long both. I'm long
Yeah.
in cash. I'm long in everything.
Okay.
I'm not really happy about that move. I may get out.
Jack, what price did you
see
get
what the
long
hell's
from?
going on.
Right here, right now, 75.09 quarter. It looked like, possibly a double bottom. Like we were
Yeah.
bouncing. We're having trouble following through his 50-day moving average in SPX, so we can hold this for a while.
Okay.
Let's
75.11. Last trade. Again, pretty muted open. ES and NQ. ES, we're looking at
I'm delayed.
25-point range or so far. Session lows 75.04 half. Session high here. Chike talking about the high of the session. Yes, 75.30. Be that price. NQ 150-point range, give or take. Low of 29,091. Right off the bell, we popped to 29,246. 246. Chike still long. Ted long, both ES and NQ.
I got to
Jack
reboot.
long. You got to
Reboot my
reboot?
trading platform. Yep. This
Okay.
is computer, not the
Overheated.
platform.
We got to.
Yeah.
I'm on three MES
Smoke
from
coming out of it.
75.09 quarter.
Okay, very good.
Still long though. Still like it. Or hold this 60 level is key. So
160.
some
Yep.
wiggle
Okay,
room.
thank you. Very good.
160, 29, 160 key level. Opening range high is all the way up at 29, I think 250. Opening range
246.
low or 246, right? So
Yes, sir.
I'd like to see Chike's 400 in Spain parlay payout.
It's that little part. We crude pulling back Off the highs, about 50 cents off those highs, $84.44. Gold bouncing off the lows as well. 40.55 last trade, $7 off the lows there. Pretty quiet on the wire for it now. Obviously, that can change at a moment's notice. Tune in Topstep TV because we'll be bringing that to you here in real time. Fast markets, spell the bell. We are your trading buddy. Navigate these wild times. ES holding bid a little bit. 75.13. All these equities all have their own personality. We got 5 minutes till the top of the hour now.
Well, I don't like that to the downside.
Mm-hmm. Maybe I got lucky getting kicked off.
Then the buyers step back in.
All right.
One
In the
can
chats,
dream.
yes, those 5 minute candles are nothing but undecided. I would agree. An indecision right now.
I'm out of that trade. It looks like it dumps.
Didn't like it?
No, it looks like it dumps, yeah.
Okay.
In the next 5 minutes.
Very clumsy market.
What are you seeing there, GK, that makes you think it dumps in 5 minutes?
That order that got pulled, but my book map's just pointing to the downside quite strongly. I had confidence in that trade up until then.
What changed?
You should get that move to the downside.
Okay, what changed in the bookmap? Bookmap looking at he's looking at levels like level 2 data. What changed?
Heat.
So,
heat. Looking at heat.
Yeah, just that distribution of the heat, like it's looking way cooler to the downside, and that just points a move to the downside quite frequently. So the fact that we've held those 530s, that could be the top, and now we've kind of opened the door to the downside. That's just for me pointing to the downside. So previously, I didn't have full confidence in that long, which is why I kind of entered quite with little size. But now I don't have any confidence in that long.
Broke the opening range low also.
I love
29,080 is a level.
080.
080. Next level down support.
All right, so about 20 points higher from there right now. ES
lower,
markets are very
lower.
Yeah. Oh, lower, correct.
My
yes,
bad,
lower. Oh, no, you're good.
That's not to say that it can't go up. Just from my experience. That's from my experience. This typically goes down.
Do have a little bit more sun here. And Q, nice cut, Chike. Nice cut.
Go away.
This market's, yeah. Ted, what'd you say, Ted? Go away? You talking to the market?
When I reboot, there's all these little things that pop up. Do you want to renew your McAfee?
You don't want to renew your McAfee. You don't want to do that. You want these longs to print.
Isn't he gone, that guy? Did he die in Belize or something?
Yeah, he's quite the guy, quite a character.
Yeah, that
to say the least.
Right?
R.I.P. We think that would have been a great guest on TV.
Well, yes, holding up a little bit better. Is this how the markets were yesterday, Ted, Chike?
Sitting right here.
I didn't trade yesterday.
You didn't trade? Okay.
I'm kind of having like the opposite of what people usually have, like where they find themselves struggling to get off of the charts. For me now, I feel like I have too much time off of the charts because I only trade for about an hour a day.
Too much time.
What are you doing the other 12 hours you're awake? Anything good?
Yo.
Ordering food.
Yeah, bro, pretty much it's the same thing.
Ordering food.
The eval is pretty much the same thing.
I've started dabbling in a bit of app development as well.
No, I mean $2,000 max loss. Profit target is 3, but in the funded, it's no consistency, no daily loss limit, free activation. 5 days till payout, and they got like this little scaling plan. But yeah, it's pretty much the same thing with the 50K flex though. They also got like Lucid Pro, where you can like pass it in 1 day. You know what I'm saying? They're a little more expensive, but they got like little coupons and whatnot. But yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same shit. And they got this little thing called the Vault, where sometimes they'll give out like little rewards, like 40% off, 50% off, shit like that. So, Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. Not gonna cap.
All right, good, good. It's good to know.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm just trying to make these extra 150 daily, just so I can get me a payout type shit. So
So what's your risk plan?
Yeah. So what's your risk plan for that? For your for just getting the 150? What you're risking? You gonna
yeah,
risk your normal to get it, or
nah, I'm gonna probably just risk like 300. Honestly,
okay?
I ain't trying to risk too much. Even though I got a good even though I'm at a good position, like I'm up
Yeah.
7 bands. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? So, but I'm only risking like 300. Usually I've been risking like 500 a day.
Yeah.
Um, if okay, so if I lose 500, okay, so I do like 2 trades a day. If I lose one, I'm gonna go back in and try to make it back. If I don't make it back, then I'm just done for the day. You know what I'm
Gotcha.
saying?
Okay.
But most of the time I go against my bias, and that's why I be screwing myself over because every time I do it, it always go in the direction I say it's gonna go in.
Yeah.
So that's another
Playing against
issue with
yourself.
me.
Yeah. Yeah. That's normal with the trading. Yeah.
Yeah, it's always gonna be like that.
Yeah.
One page, and
Sometimes I be trying to catch like little reversals, but sometimes it work, sometimes it don't. So yeah. So that's my little
Nice.
thing
Nice.
right now.
you're feeling good.
Nah, you're
Just
doing
keep
real
that
good,
risk.
T. Yeah, just keep that wrist tight and keep your time horizon good for you. Make the time work on your side, because honestly, you already won. You know what I'm saying? So your next goal to get the remaining days, the will 150, to be able to pull some cho. You know what I'm saying? Just take it
Yeah,
digestible. You know what I'm saying? Make sure your wrist is tight. Don't over risk for it, so you can be pulling out a good balance, and make sure your time horizon on it is decent. You know what I mean?
yeah. I think I'm gonna go in with less contracts too, because I
Yeah, you
really been
should.
pushing like 10 contracts. That's my max.
Yeah,
Um,
good.
think I might go in. Sometimes I be going in. Well, when I done lost the trade, I take the 10 and go in five and just let it float like that. You
Yeah,
know what I'm saying? Just I won't be risking so much after I done lost.
yeah.
So that's pretty much how I play it.
Nah, that's real good, T. That's real good.
Just to hit that 150 goal. See if you'll be able
Really
to
ain't got
hit
no
that
trading
150.
plan. I just do like a top down analysis for real. I'll start with the daily and just go down till I get to the 5 minute. 5 minute really like my setup, but my 1 minute is like where I take the entry at. So
Nice, nice. That's good. Yeah. Main thing. Well, first, the top down for us is perfect, because that's the main thing we do for our strategy. And second thing, like even for your, even like bro just said, even for the 150, you gotta make. You can literally risk like $75 a trade and make 150 out of 2 to 1, and just do it super easy. You know what I'm saying? So just consider that
oh
too.
yeah.
Just make it super easy for yourself. No stress. And you definitely taking pay if you do it. That ain't the sexiest way, but you definitely taking chill if you do it that way. You know what I'm saying? With the balance secured and everything. You know what I'm saying? So just make
Yeah,
it
yeah.
make it super easy for yourself, though.
Make it small.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah. Sounds like a plan. Definitely. Don't need to
Yeah.
be risking much. Shit.
Yeah, you ain't got to. You
You
have
got it,
7 bands, bro. For real. Right now, you can pull 3,500. You don't want to lose 3 trades at 300 and lose a band, and you can only pull you know what I'm saying? Like, you really got 3,500 at least on a payout right now. So it's like, just take it like, yeah, I'm pulling that for sure. And what comes with that, knowing that, you know what I'm saying? Like, that I can risk 100 a trade and make 150 in a blink, like, without no stress. Pull this money for sure. You know what I'm saying? That's what you want to, you feel me?
Yeah,
Because we're here for a
definitely.
long time and a good time, dog. Long time.
Uh-huh. Bro, I'm almost, bro. This is it, bro. I'm telling you. I'm
That's it. You
almost there. This job. I'm about to fuck this job.
for real, but you doing it right,
Yeah.
bro.
right?
You worked up. You been you been working. Now you got a balance for real. It's like, yeah, that's all it is. You work till you
And I
build a
found
stake.
something that works for me. So
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what it's about.
that's what it's
I done
about
learned
too.
from value gaps and just like a lot of supply and demand. Like,
Yeah,
bro,
bro.
it's I done learned a lot for
You
real.
put the time in.
Yeah, you put
Like
the time in, bro.
I,
You put the time in.
I be looking yeah, I be looking at myself like, damn, T, you really came a long way, man.
You
Yeah,
got
You
like
know?
what 2 plus
yeah.
years?
You've been doing it what 2+ years. You've been
Yeah.
funded accounts for
Yeah,
what?
almost three for real.
Yeah,
3. Yeah.
almost 3.
Especially with what you've been doing.
Hmm.
And what you was doing before then, before you even got in this field. You feel me? So
Oh yeah, definitely.
yeah, when you was
Definitely
learning. Yeah, bro.
y'all put me out, y'all introduced me back. Well, so the first time. somebody really just telling me about crypto. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't
Yeah.
like day trading. I'll introduce me to day trading.
Ah, yeah, got you.
Yeah, we all have our interests.
Yeah, we all have our entries for real. We got introduced to 0 day options. That's how I joined the game.
Hey.
All right,
Yeah,
cool,
man.
man. Yeah, we about to get into these shorts probably. If we got a heat zone tap, just waiting for a candle on the 5 minute. Then I'm setting a limit. Short in 75.20, 75.30. That's gonna be my day.
Yeah, for sure. I might risk a little bit in this little. Nah, I think I'm gonna stay in my practice. Fuck it. I ain't even gonna trade the other funded. I'm tripping.
Yeah, you
I ain't
good.
tripping. As is, and the other funded is on Apex. Like,
Dang.
and I don't really like Apex for real, but I passed the shit and I became funded
Yeah.
because they had a free activation, for a look price. So I'm like, they had
Dang.
a yeah, Apex. They ran the $50 50K account, no activation fee, and you can pass it in 1 day.
No, they came
Literally,
with
bro.
it. That's crazy.
Bro, I ate that shit up, bro. So I'm like, I really don't like Apex, but I'm gonna trade it because it's already funded. So
Yeah, guys to. Guys to trade it. For real.
Got you, Ken.
so it's really
Like,
just sitting waiting on me to trade it.
yeah. Nah, that's so far. You're in a good position, T. For real. Just take it calm, man. Be grateful and shit. Take it slow. For real.
Yeah,
Take it
well,
slow, bro. So we can enjoy
probably
this
gonna
shit.
have to pay short too.
Nice. You seeing the same thing I'm seeing, Kat?
On the yeah, it didn't break my hour, so
Nice.
it didn't break my
Yeah.
it swept my hour high. I was waiting for a push up above, but
Mm,
these shorts might is just gonna retest reimbalance itself.
mm-hmm.
That's what I'm looking at least until down. Well, I'm on NQ.
Yeah, I know you're on Q.
So yeah, I got a couple of fair value gaps set up, but I'm looking at 894, 894. Maybe it's a imbalance in there, but um, well, that's my 4 hour demand right
Oh
there.
yeah, I see
So
that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I
um,
see.
yeah, I see shorts.
Nice.
See shorts right now.
Yeah, the
But we'll
four
see.
hour.
Market funny. It move how I want to
Yeah, you
move.
know to
So
do what it want. You know what I'm saying? Definitely, NQ definitely gave the same signal though. COM to the downside on the 4 hour. That's beautiful.
yeah.
All right, perfect.
Yeah, it definitely was good. It
All right.
definitely pushed up, man. I can't believe I'm like, man, I'm gonna hold this trade because I know this shit gonna go up and hit this target, man. I just knew it was, but I ain't even hold it. I'm like, man, I'm finna take these little
Take
1800 and get
what
out the
for
fucking
real?
market, bro.
Nah, it be
But I
like
could
that.
have sold that shit for another 8 bands, bro. But I'm like, man, I ain't gonna be greedy because that's my problem. I be being greedy, then I be losing my money.
That's
You
everybody
know
problem.
what?
Gotta know you. You feel me? Gotta know yourself,
Yeah,
man.
you just take it. I'm trying to learn to be patient,
Yeah.
have discipline. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro.
So
Same here.
definitely,
You never do nothing wrong taking profit for real. That's one. We here to get paid. That's for sure. So, shit. Yeah, I'm
all
just waiting.
right, bro. Let me up in I'm in mute for a second. Got to talk to my girl.
Nah, do you think? Do you think we here? Again.
So,
All right, man. Waiting for one candle. I'm in the paint, man. Second trade of the day. Putting this on. I'm walking away. This on. I'm walking away. Got it. No candle yet, though. No candle yet. Right now, we're looking at COM. Pretty much a change of move candle on the 4 hour. As you can see, green, 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 red. Change of move. Downside, since it's red. Sellers came in. High of that candle is 30.25. Key level is going to be 75.29. And heat zone is going to be 75.20. So with that information, price already hit 75.20 after the signal. Now I'm just looking for a red candle, and then I'll be getting in at 75.20. 30 seconds. This might be my candle. And then we'll be planking in 1 minute. Then I'm in the shorts, guys. Then I'm getting out of here. I'm putting this on. Then I'm signing out, guys. Great trading today, though. Break even. Almost hit the TP1 on the longs. Good thing we shout out the system because price definitely is looking like a downside play. 5 seconds on this candle. Alright, red candle. About to plank 1 minute. 7 a.m. Yeah, it's about 20. Alright, but yeah, good. Alright, 30 more seconds. Set my limit. This is just a little stillness before action. Further, the closest I can get in is 20, so need price to pull back a little bit. Get me in, but sellers definitely looking like they're in control. About to go with my move. 10 seconds. Alright, that's the 1 minute plank.
Order filled.
No, why'd it do that? No.
Order filled.
I did that thing again, bro. Yeah, I'm out. Just $10. Damn, why did it do that? It set the limit and then it fucking grabbed me at 14.
If it's doing that, you're closing up. Not even directing at that shit. For real, we're gonna have to wait for the price to get in it and then take it.
Market.
Yeah, that's it. I ain't playing with that shit, man. Fuck that. I don't even touch it.
Alright, guys. Waiting for price to get to 20. We just have a little system error there. Let's call that.
Yeah, go to practice and try to do it. Practice and try to follow. Keep doing that. See it again.
Order filled.
Yeah, I did it again.
Order
I
filled.
can mark it at 20.
Yeah, we'll mark it at 20.
Yeah,
We'll
I
do it.
just can't. Yeah, I just can't run it.
See, check it quickly.
17 market. Wait for a 20 print, guys. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'll just start.
Set limit and then just grab it.
This is technical stuff. That's what it is.
Yeah, just technical trading. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good call on checking the practice. I just fired it again. Alright, guys, we chilling. Gotta shoot the gun myself since the snipers took off today. See what happens. We need price to get to 20. I'm 5 points away. Perks of technical trading, man. Stuff like that happens. Just gotta stay cool. Get out if it's a mistake. It's literally just part of the game. 17. Oh, you know what I did, boss?
Yeah.
Set a buy limit. That was me. That was probably the same thing that happened last time.
In practice too. You hit the buy. I was like, come on, you got it. Alright.
Alright, so there we go. It's me. It's me, guys.
Usually is. That's why we gotta take a step back, homie.
1950.
Printed 1950.
Printed 1950.
Turn down.
A little bit.
Just take it through.
Order filled.
Alright, man.
Alright, that's the day, boys.
Alright, that's my day. User error, man. User
I
error.
heard what they were filming myself.
Yeah, I like 'em.
Practicing my game.
That's on me. Bought it. That's why I seen it put the limit, and then it
Yeah, it's totally fine.
grabbed it. Yeah. All right, guys. Beautiful. That is me for the day. Couple more points. We'll be break even at 13. Break even at 10. Alright, that's beautiful work, guys. Perfectly executed. $11.75.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, break even.
Alright.
Great work, boys. Success for the day.
That's the day, man.
Shout out the guys. Oop. That's the process right there, boys. I'm out. I love y'all. Price hits 75.02, about another 10-point drop. This account will be complete. You can see at the top. 26, man. Just having fun trade, man. Swinging some leverage. Sweaty trader pits, man. I made a mistake. Had to get out. I ain't even know. Thank God I got out. It was a buy. Lord. Good thing I ain't freeze up. Crazy. Alright, guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm out. Great trading. Shout out T. Shout out Production, man. Shout out my boy Maul. That's me for the day, man. I'm out, I don't know what this market, you feel me? But yeah, keep going down. Price continues, man. TP2 right above 7,500. Right above, man. Right above it. 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 Shit, just chilling with a hit. Huh? Chilling with a hit, or we out?
Nah, we out. Close up.
Yeah.
We real traders.
You
over
feel
here,
me?
man.
You
So,
feel me?
I took my trade. Hope you
I took my
yours,
trade.
man.
Hope you took yours. I'm out, man. I love y'all. See y'all tomorrow, man. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the Discord. It's free. Love y'all, man. I'm out. Twin Peaks Trading.